Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm back here with another video which is about 5 best DPed project crypto mining apps which are very free. You don't have to pay any gas fee for them, and also step-by-step guide is there. Watch till the end of the video. I have selected 5 best mining apps which are very easy to use and it utilizes your unused internet. These mining projects are called DPed projects. It has another meaning but I simply made to understand you. To start here, you will need Kiwi browser, MetaMask wallet and its extensions to start here. This is very easy. Now let's get started, not by wasting our time. The very first one is Layer is. Well, every required links are mentioned in our official Telegram channel and the link is in description. Before you start with this, I already mentioned that you need to have MetaMask wallet, Kiwi browser and extension of each minings. This is Layer is beta. This is Bitcoin backed project. Well, let's start our process by connecting wallet onto MetaMask. Well, I have connected. I am showing you just the way I am educating you how you can connect and how you can start mining on these 5 DPed projects. And in this referral section, I have mentioned it on Telegram. You go there and copy and paste. I have used my friend's referral code. You can use my code and also you can use your friend if someone has already done. If not, then join with my referral code and join our Telegram channel. Let's make the big community. Well, we got an error. I will show how you can fix. The video might be long but it will help you. Well, go to your MetaMask. You need to install the MetaMask extension also. It's very easy. If you don't know, then you can go to YouTube and search for this. It's very easy. Well, for layer is, we have to connect. Then let's go back to layer is, then continue. Well, this is layer is dashboard. It's looking nice, and from here you can start your mining. Start node, earning or taking reward. It's same processing. It depends upon your network speeds. It's taking time. We have to add the extension also. Let's add. For this process will be same for all DPed project. Okay, extension like this you search and or you go to extension here. Layer is extension download. You can see here. I will be mentioning it on our description. Don't worry about this. Okay, now let's go here in layer section. Well, I have found the solution for this also. Go to extension and go to MetaMask and you will get the confirmation. Yeah, confirm this. Now let's check on layer is start node. It's processing here. Again, go to the MetaMask wallet. Confirm. Ethereum mainnet. You should be in Ethereum mainnet. Okay, check this also. This may get some problem also. Start node, click here. Start node processing. Yeah, we have connected to MetaMask and it's processing. We are good to go. This is very free and without any gas fee, so you can participate in testnet like this and earn some rewards and you can convert it into your cash. Well, let's move to the next one. The second one is DPed. This is also the node mining DPed project. Well, when you click on the referral link I have given in Telegram channel, you will see this kind of interface for registration. Here you will see the invitation code. Leave it like that and let's start with filling the form here. Now after the registration, simply log in with your details. Before you log in, you need to verify your email. Go to your email. Well, go to your email and verify your email address by clicking on verify mail. Yeah, you have successfully verified. Now let's go to login. Well, login. Then after verification, another thing is install the validator extension first. Sorry, I have already added but I removed. Okay, it is added. Now let's go back to the DPed and here go down and click here DPed validator, and the validator is online. We are mining now. It's very, I feel very, and to increase your mining speed, just copy this invitation code and invitation link and share with your friends and family members so that you can boost your earnings. I will be making the separate detailed video over this. Next one is DAWD, decentralized broadband. Join 1.5 million plus people and earn rewards for sharing your internet infrastructures. All are related with the DPed project and we are very lucky to have this kind of project. To start, just put your email and stay connected. Thank you for submission. Your submission has been received. Well, we need to have DAWD extension also. Like this you can source, and I have given the link in description. Go there and you can do it. Let's add this to the Chrome. We are using Kiwi browser, but still we need to add it to the Chrome. Don't be confused on this kind of things. We go to DAWD. From here right click and go to DAWD Validator Pro. Well, click on register here. Give your username, email, password, confirm password. Password need to be very strong. You need to understand this. And the referral code. When you click on my referral link I have given in the Telegram, it will redirect you to this, and here you will get your referral code for sure. You leave it or exchange with your other friends referral code. It's okay with that. And when you use my referral code, we will be making our community very big. And then click on create account. Well, create account, save the password. Well, account created, and we need to go to our mail to check our you can check it on spam also. Email verification for down. Look safe. Click to verify account. Click here. You can click there. Look safe. Let's go to the primary. It has gone to there, and click on verify account. Verification successful. Now let's go to the login. To login we have already saved, I think, our login from details here, and you need to put this. It's quite not difficult, but for me it's like difficult. Finally we have logged in. Well, this is also the extension related. Then we go to the DAWD extension here, boost reward. Well, this will be your referral code, and share with your friends to boost your rewards, mining rewards, and follow us and earn rewards. I will do it later. You can do it whenever you finish this. Okay, you can do it. Join their Telegram handle, Telegram and Discord, and you will get this much amount of points. And our extension is connected. Get connected, check it time by time, and earn with DAWD network also. Next one we have, this is also the same like gradient network is also same like I have already mentioned this on the previous video. Gradient network is also same like other DPed project. You have to download the extension gradient sentry node like this. And many mistake people do on gradient network is one people, one account normal and account restricted is signed like this, red dotted, and white and green is for normal account, and one sentry node per device. Only one node per device, that means extension, that is also node. And that gradient network we are doing node mining rewards, so one person per node. Like this you can read the gradient network community guidelines. This is very easy one. And last one is DNet. DNet is an app, you can install it on your phone, and it is also DPed network. DNet storage. DNet is also like same others, and it is about the storage like Google Drive and other cloud storage we use to store our data. Here is also we can store the data. And I have already signed up on this, and I have made the friends like this here. And let's go to profile, not profile. Yeah, this is very simple. The process are very simple. Just go and download DNet. I have given the link in Telegram. Go there, and step-by-step guide is also there. And if you are confused, then you can contact me on the Telegram I have mentioned down below. Go there and check it out. Well, these are the DPed network minings, and they are very profitable if you do seriously and continuously. Also remember, there is no guarantee that you can earn a lot of money, but it can help you with your pocket money. Also, you know this market is very volatile and also unpredictable. We don't know at what time we will get that other people got exactly. Do your own research before starting with this kind of minings and airdrops platforms. At last, don't forget to join our Telegram channel, Telegram group. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to visit our official website where different crypto news are posted in daily basis. This much is for now. If you are new to the channel, subscribe it.